Modern prefab homes and fast construction housing technology. Building a house is a complicated and expensive process, including the purchase of materials, payment for installation work, and other expenses. Modern technologies for construction private homes create opportunities for less costly construction of a warm, reliable, and beautiful building without losing the quality of the work done. Nowadays, many construction methods are available, but you need to choose the most reliable one. Here are some of the great, small, prefab homes examples. Cabin Anna. Anna is a small hut-type cabin that can be converted easily in any shape. It can help humans to connect or blend with nature and surroundings through effectively. Cabin Anna is a portable cabin in any environment like forests, hills, mountains. There is a glass structure beneath the wooden frame that allows you to observe your surroundings without being exposed to them visually. If you want to take further step, you can focus on its glass structure. The houses are very close to nature and are designed by Casper Schools. The first house he made was for her mother. These houses are scheduled for living and sleeping, guest house, office space, yoga, meetings, educational sessions, spending time with family and friends, holiday retreat. Cozy cabins. Cozy cabin builders are building small prefab houses since 1997. They combine both traditional and modern values to provide the best prefab homes. Comfortable cabins are ready-made homes that can be delivered whenever and wherever the customer wants. The process to install these homes is very easy in every place of customer's choice. It is not a luxurious house, but one of the easiest to build and the coziest to live in. Premier prefab cabin models, i.e. 28 by 52 Mountaineer log home. Spacious living rooms. Improved structures. Better prices. Easier customization. Coveted style. Pantrytop Cabins. Construction of Pantrytop Cabins started in October 2016 and finished in October 2018. The conifer tree inspired the design of Pantrytop Cabins. The designers tried to keep the design simple but appealing. Its basic structure is a wooden triangle that stands tall in the forest with a magnificent view. On the support of metal bars high on the ground, you can view your surroundings easily. The distance from the ground makes it safe from the forest environment like wild animals. It has all the equipment required for someone to live in the forest. They're located in Norway, Figskogen, and are available for rental. The options range from spectacular design cabins to simple structures more in the childhood dreams of many children. Most have stunning views and are located in areas perfect for hiking or skiing. Treetop cabins are about 8 meters up, 100% sustainable, luxurious, and comfortable, based on wood and slate. Urban Rigger. Urban Rigger is a magnificent living space floating on water. The cycling makes it of old containers. 6 containers are converted into a aesthetically beautiful cabin for people to live in. To stop it from moving in water, it is attached to the road with rope's help. The most outstanding aspect is that it floats on the water, and you can enjoy the natural environment. The Urban Rigger design involves stacking 6 shipping containers, basement storage space, technical equipment, laundry room, hydro source heating system. The above are 4 great small prefab homes, considering the one you like the most. Thanks to the wide range of technologies used in the construction of houses, you can always find the right one. The important thing is to use quality materials. But we should not forget that new technologies in the construction of private houses imply maximum reasonable savings, primarily on the foundation, due to the building's lighter weight. This allows the use of more economical, lightweight foundations, but at the same time, the calculation of loads must be as accurate as possible, which means that they engage these people who are specialists in this work. If you desire to have a less space house, then you go for modern prefab homes and fast construction housing technology.